Are you running video ads on Facebook or YouTube? Then here's the tip number 4 to make your ads, video ads, highly profitable. The fourth tip is to use perfect background music. Music has been found to be an effective tool for creating emotional connections with viewers, and it can even influence their behavior. By using music strategically in your video ads, you can tap into people's emotions and inspire them to take action, whether it's making a purchase, sharing your content, or signing up for a newsletter. However, it's important to choose the right type of music for your video ads, as different genres and tempos can evoke different emotional response. For example, research suggests that faster tempos and major keys are associated with the feelings of happiness and excitement, while slower tempos and minor keys can elicit feelings of sadness or contemplation. By understanding the emotional impact of different musical choices, you can harness the power of music to create more impactful and effective video ads. Now, if you don't want to miss the following parts of this series and earn more from your video ads, then hit the follow button or the subscribe button, wherever you are. You know how it works, right? Just click over there. That's it. Please, music.